Hello, so today we'll be learning how to use Java for coding. So before you start using Java, you need to understand what Java is used for. Java is used for mobile app development, desktop applications, your web applications, and your gaming applications. Now before you start coding, you need to get your IDE, which is integrated development environment. That's where you use for writing your code, because without your IDE you won't be able to write your code. This is what all developers need for writing their code. So for us to get our IDE, you go to Google and then you type IntelliJ, Eclipse or NetBeans. You download any of these IDEs before you start coding. Now as a developer, you need to understand basic terms, which are data types and your variables. Now data types are more like the data that should be assigned to your value. Your values can be 1, 2, 3, and can be your name, your 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 pet's name, your street. Those are your values, but then you have to assign a data type to these values. And your data types can actually be string, your integer, your boolean, and your float. Now another term as a developer you need to understand are variables. Now variables are actually the names that holds your value. Like I said, your value can be 1, 2, 3. So you need to assign a name to hold your value. But first you need your data type, and then you need your variables to hold your data, your value, sorry. So let's start. We'll start first in Java. With Java programming, you need to get a value, a data type. Your data type can be integer, string, or boolean. So for integer, you use your int, and then the next is your variable, which is the name that holds our value. So the name can be anything. You can say dog, you can say cat, your name, anybody's name, or your pet's name. So we're using dog as our variable, and then the value is 2. So you can do the same cat, and the value is 3. So if you don't have your data type or your variable that holds your value, your computer won't be able to understand what to do, because if you just say dog is equal to 2, cat is equal to 3 in Java, your computer will be able to understand that okay, this is a number and I need to do this. So you need to indicate the data type, and the variable should be added which holds our value. So now to add this, you can say dog plus cat. Let's say int sum is equal to dog plus cat. Now to print out this, you say south, or you can say system dot print out, but I usually use the shortcut for this. You just type south and then it will come up, and then we're printing sum. Then you run your code. Now you get 5. So the reason why we're seeing hello world is because this was printed out. When you start your Java, you run your IDE, you usually get the hello world first. But if we delete this, we're getting 5. That's 2 plus 3.